Hey, I'm Sam from RTP Customs, and the question is, can my wheel be repaired? In today's episode, we're going to be talking about hyper silver wheels, also known as hyper metallics, black chrome. It's very common on Lexus wheels. Lexus, Infiniti, Audis, even BBS. And the way you can tell the difference between a hyper silver wheel or just a regular charcoal is the glare that it actually gives. It gives it that titanium look. And there's a lighter finish on the face compared to the pockets of these wheels. So as you can see here, here's a darker finish, and as we spray just a tiny bit more, the color tends to change from the darker to the lighter finish. We are very well known to our ability to color match almost 100%, even if we're doing one wheel out of 3. But in order for us to ensure that the color is going to match the other wheels on your car, we require a wheel to be present. The reason being, hyper silver is not a paint coat. We can't just simply get that paint coat and spray, because the more we spray, the lighter that color is going to be. As you can see, my painter is constantly going back and forth between the wheel he's painting, comparing it to the color matched wheel, in order for us to ensure that you're getting a wheel that's 100% matched to the original finish. If you are not sure if you have a hyper silver wheel or not, our team of experts will be more than happy to assist you. Just simply email us a picture, leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to take care of you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Looking forward to taking care of you.